Back with a 3.4 magnitude earthquake at 14 kilometers west-northwest of Salvaleon De Higuey, Dominican Republic. I'm sure I butchered this completely, so please correct me in the comment section below. Anyways, happened at 2:02 a.m. Central Standard Time, depth of 111 kilometers. So just gonna zoom into the epicenter. It was Rancho Doña Maria, or Doña Fabrica de Quesos Heckling. I want to say Heckling or Jekyllin, Heckling. But yeah, that does seem to be it for right now. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.